In this video, I show you how to monitor other computers on your network for free. That software is Light Manager. It requires us to install on both server and viewer. First, install Light Manager on the server and set password protection. Next, install the viewer on the monitoring computer. Now comes the connection and monitoring section. Light Manager can also remotely control computers, transfer files, chat and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.